Hey guys, we're live at 6:13, and we're running a 5-winner mini, I believe, for Brian's Power of the Force battle, the gunner and the A-wing pilot. I got 100 spots here that I'm going to copy and take over to random to find our winners. There we got them all. There we are. Yeah, top 5 win spots in the main on this one. Good luck, guys. Going to paste them in chow. As you can see, there's 100, like there should be. Once I get to the top here, I'm going to roll the dice to see how many rounds we're going to go. Got to get at least 5. And we did. We got a 6er. So we are good to go. Good luck, guys and gals, as we get down to business. Gary in the top spot for round 1. Walter 2. Don 3. CJ takes round 4. Troy in the top spot for round 5 with number 6. Bringing us inevitably to the final round. Good luck. If I could spell it, we'd be in really good shape. When I could, I figured it out. Good luck, guys. Here we go. And our winners are Mark, Josh again, Steve, and Mark again. Congratulations, guys. Here's a verification code to fish results. KRD FQT. There's our winners. I'm done. As the clock turns to 6:15 p.m. As you can see here, there it is. Again, here's the official results and our winners. Congrats, fellas. See you next time. Thanks.